Jacob, I absolutely agree with you on everything about the podcast, and I didn't think about it like that because me personally, when I was younger, I always thought vulnerability was weakness because you're exposing yourself to other people, and other people can use your vulnerability to their advantage and take advantage of you. So that's why I didn't open up to a lot of people, because I believe that people will use that against you and take you down and make you depressed or something. But from her point of view, I absolutely agree that vulnerability can lead to more opportunities because you are expressing how you feel, and you are more outgoing about how you feel at that moment, and that's something that I want to take from or take into consideration, because I believe that more people should open up about their experiences, because other people might experience those same experiences, if that makes sense, and people can use your experience and learn from your mistakes that you made. So that's something that I want to notice or take note from the podcast, is that it's okay to be vulnerable. It's okay to open up to other people, because there are people out here who will help you and who will not take advantage of you, and who will absolutely help you, guide you to the right direction. So, and the guilt and shame part, that was also powerful, because they are two different meanings, and I didn't think about it like that at the moment, but listening to it again, she absolutely right about guilt and shame being different, because they are two different meanings. So that podcast was easily one of my favorite ones so far that we did, and not podcast, but TED Talks that we looked at so far, and I suggest everybody look at it. So that's it, and hope you guys have a good day.